Welcome back to Thriveology today. What if I told you that your next big business breakthrough is just one LinkedIn connection away? In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover how to transform your LinkedIn presence from just another profile to a powerful lead-generating machine. Think about this. While others scroll mindlessly through their feed, you'll learn exactly how to create a magnetic profile that attracts opportunities. Build content that positions you as an industry leader and generate quality leads while you sleep. Turn connections into valuable business relationships. Before we dive into these game-changing strategies, join our Thriveology community by hitting subscribe. Because just like LinkedIn networking, small actions today create massive opportunities tomorrow. Let's turn your LinkedIn presence from invisible to invaluable. Think of your LinkedIn profile as your digital storefront. It's the first impression you make on potential connections and opportunities. Let's transform it into a magnetic presence that attracts the right attention. Start with your profile photo. This isn't just any picture, it's your professional first handshake. Use a high-quality headshot that radiates approachability and confidence. Your background banner isn't just decoration, it's prime real estate to showcase your personal brand story. Your headline is your digital elevator pitch. Instead of just listing your job title, craft a compelling statement that speaks to your unique value proposition. Think about what makes you different and how you solve problems for others. Your summary section is where your professional story comes alive. Write it like you're having a conversation with your ideal connection. Share your journey, your expertise, and most importantly, the transformation you create for others. Remember to weave in relevant industry keywords naturally. This isn't just for readability, it's for searchability. In your experience section, don't just list responsibilities, showcase achievements with measurable results. Each role should tell a story of growth and impact. Think of these as chapters in your professional journey, each building upon the last. Remember to customize your LinkedIn URL. This simple step makes your profile more professional and easier to share. It's like choosing a memorable business address instead of a random street number. Think of your LinkedIn content like planting a garden. You need the right mix of content types, consistent nurturing, and patience to see results grow. Let's create your content strategy that builds authority and attracts opportunities. Start with a consistent posting schedule. Aim for 2 to 3 high-quality posts per week. Consistency matters more than quantity. Think of each post as a seed you're planting in your professional network's consciousness. Your content should follow 3 core pillars: industry insights, personal experiences, and educational value. When sharing industry insights, focus on thought-provoking perspectives that showcase your expertise. Personal stories humanize your brand and create genuine connections. Educational content positions you as a valuable resource in your field. Long-form content performs exceptionally well on LinkedIn. While other platforms favor brevity, LinkedIn rewards depth. Aim for 500 to 1,000 words in your articles, but vary your content format to maintain engagement. Mix in visual content, infographics, and short-form posts to keep your feed dynamic and interesting. Remember to engage with your content after posting. The first hour is crucial for momentum. Respond to comments, spark discussions, and encourage meaningful conversations. Think of each post not as a broadcast, but as the beginning of a dialogue with your network. Think of your LinkedIn network like cultivating a thriving garden. It needs daily attention, genuine care, and strategic nurturing. Let's explore how to build meaningful connections that generate real opportunities. Start by joining relevant industry groups where your target audience hangs out. These are like professional communities where you can showcase your expertise through thoughtful comments and valuable insights. Remember, it's not about selling, it's about adding value to conversations. When connecting with new people, always personalize your invitation. Share why you'd like to connect and what common ground you share. This personal touch sets you apart from the countless generic connection requests people receive daily. Engage consistently with your network's content. Comment thoughtfully on posts, share insights, and celebrate others' achievements. Think of each interaction as depositing into a relationship bank. The more genuine value you provide, the stronger your network becomes. Follow industry leaders and actively participate in their discussions. Their content often attracts your ideal connections, and meaningful comments on their posts can put you in front of the right audience. This strategy is like attending a virtual networking event where the most influential people in your industry gather. Remember to regularly endorse and recommend connections you've worked with. These actions not only strengthen relationships, but also signal to LinkedIn's algorithm that you're an active, valuable community member. Think of LinkedIn lead generation like fishing in a well-stocked pond. You need the right bait, perfect timing, and proper technique to catch quality opportunities. Let's master the art of turning connections into valuable business relationships. Start by identifying your ideal client avatar. Understanding exactly who you're trying to reach helps you craft messages that resonate. Share content that specifically addresses their pain points and challenges. This positions you as the solution they've been searching for. Create what I call value bridges, content that naturally leads to your services without being pushy. For example, share case studies that demonstrate your expertise, but focus on the journey and lessons learned, rather than just the results. This subtle approach builds trust and curiosity about working with you. Master the art of social selling through storytelling. Instead of direct pitching, share stories about client transformations. When people see themselves in these stories, they're naturally drawn to connect with you. Think of it as creating a magnetic field that attracts qualified leads rather than chasing them. Develop a systematic follow-up approach. When someone engages with your content, check their profile. If they match your ideal client profile, send a thoughtful message acknowledging their comment and asking a relevant question about their business. This opens the door to natural conversation. Remember, LinkedIn's messaging system is not your sales platform. It's your relationship building tool. Use it to schedule discovery calls where the real magic happens. Think of these conversations as bridges between online connections and real business relationships. Your journey to LinkedIn mastery starts today. Think about this. Every successful business relationship begins with a single connection. The strategies we've covered aren't just theory. They're proven frameworks used by top performers who generate consistent opportunities through LinkedIn. Remember, your LinkedIn presence isn't just a digital resume. It's a powerful business development tool waiting to be unleashed. Start with one strategy today, master it, then add another. Success on LinkedIn is about consistent, valuable engagement, not overnight transformation. If you're ready to revolutionize your professional presence, join our Thriveology community by hitting that subscribe button. Because just like LinkedIn networking, every connection counts. And every subscriber helps us create better content to fuel your success journey. Share in the comments your biggest LinkedIn challenge. What's holding you back from building a powerful presence? Your question might help another member of our community break through their barriers. Remember, success on LinkedIn isn't about having the most connections. It's about building the right relationships. Keep thriving and never stop growing.